cotton candy ice cream couldn't be simpler to make. You just need 5 ingredients and you don't even need an ice cream maker. This is a no-churn ice cream recipe. So it's a really fun, easy recipe to make with the kids in the summertime. You want to place your loaf pan in the freezer before you start so it's nice and cold when the ice cream goes into it. One tip I have for you is to place your mixing bowl and your beaters into the freezer for 10 minutes before you start whipping your heavy cream. This is going to ensure that your heavy cream gets whipped up to full volume. We're using cotton candy and vanilla extract to flavor our ice cream with. I'll link below to the cotton candy extract that I use and love for this recipe. We're also going to color it pink and blue to get that beautiful cotton candy look to our ice cream. I recommend using gel food coloring. It's very concentrated, you don't need a lot of it, and it doesn't add any extra liquid to our ice cream. If you can't get a hold of any gel food coloring, liquid food coloring will work in a pinch. Just use a drop of red and a drop of blue to get a really light pink and baby blue look to your ice cream. So let's get started. Let me show you how fun and easy it is to make this homemade cotton candy ice cream. So if you love this recipe or have any ideas for future recipes to make in this kids summer baking series, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the rest of my recipes in this series for some fun baking inspiration this summer to make with your kids in the kitchen. And until next time, happy baking.